So now wiggle the component out. And I've got it out here. So we're gonna grab our new one, throw a little bit of grease on the side so we can get this in. So now that we have the new replacement part, we threw just a little bit of lube on the seal here to allow us to slide it in. We're gonna pull that bolt out because we don't wanna drop it. So we're going to put it in by hand to start. So let's place that aside and we'll get this put back in. So now that we're ready to install the part, I can feel the hole here on the back and the bolt hole.